Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy something on Poshmark. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in poshmark.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Poshmark website where you will be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. Now once you have logged into your account, you will be shown various listings in the homepage for items as well as posts from different users. Now if you find any item that you are interested to buy, you can simply go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into that item page where you will be able to see all of the details including the brand, color, size, features, category, style tags, and various other details. You can also find the size as well as the price. You can immediately click on the Buy Now button to buy using your preferred payment method, or click on Make an Offer to make a counter offer on the price that you see posted for the item. To buy the item right away, go ahead and click on Buy Now, and you will be taken into the checkout menu. To proceed forward, go ahead and type in your full name, your street address, your city, your state, the zip code, and then click on the Next button. Then you will have to enter your payment information. Go ahead and enter the payment information and proceed forward, and you will receive the receipt in your email and finalize the purchase. You can also click on Buy Now with PayPal or Buy with Google Pay in order to proceed with checkout even faster. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy any item on Poshmark. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.